Humanity rising. EXT, Galactic Council Station, Space. A colossal station orbits a dying red giant. Thousands of ships, sleek, alien designs, dock and depart in organized chaos. Narrator, VO, for 10,000 cycles, the Galactic Council governed all known sentient life. They believed their power unassailable, until humanity arrived. Int. Galactic Council Chamber, Day. A vast amphitheater, tiered platforms filled with delegates. Ethereal holograms flicker over each seat. The humans occupy a modest delegation, 5 people in simple uniforms. President Zythar, a towering insectoid with jeweled carapace, raises a clawed hand. Zythar delegates. We convene to address humanity's refusal to submit to the Universal Compliance Accord. Murmurs ripple through the chamber. A slender, silver-skinned being, Amorous, speaks calmly. Amorous humans are primitives. Their Earth is a polluted sphere. What threat could they possibly pose? Commander Reyes, human, smiles thinly. You keep asking that question. You never like the answer. Flashback, montage. Narrator, VO, they called us fragile. Undisciplined. Irrational. And they were right, but they underestimated what those flaws could become. Humans in battered ships charging a blockade. Engineers welding hulls with handheld torches. Doctors treating alien civilians after a plague outbreak. A human child sharing rations with a starving alien. Back to council chamber. Zythar's mandibles twitch with irritation. Zythar Commander Reyes. This is your final opportunity to yield and join the accord. Commander Reyes, we didn't come to kneel. We came to stand. And we're not alone anymore. He gestures. Doors open. Several alien species enter, some wearing human insignia. They take seats beside the humans. Gasps echo. Zythar, what is this? Commander Reyes, allies. You call them lesser species. We call them friends. EXT, Earth Orbit, Fleet Assembly. A fleet of mismatched ships. Human frigates, alien freighters retrofitted with human tech, civilian vessels armored with scavenged plating. Narrator, VO, when every species said no, humanity said, then we'll build our own coalition. Int. Council Chamber. Amorous, this is an affront to council law. Commander Reyes, then your laws are broken. He steps forward. Commander Reyes, Siontide, we were born on a death world. We learned to fight when we could barely crawl. You think treaties will make us bow? You think fleets will make us flee? He scans the chamber. Commander Reyes, Siontide, we are humanity. And we are rising. EXT, Council Station, Space. Hundreds of ships emerge from hyperspace, humans and their allies. Council Defense Fleet forms ranks. Int. Council Strategic Operations. Generals and admirals shout orders. Tactical maps flicker. Admiral Tovak's humans have no discipline. They cannot sustain a campaign. Strategist KLSHIR, they don't need discipline. They have belief. EXT, Space, battle begins. Human ships surge forward in coordinated chaos. Freighters ram destroyers. Fighters swarm cruisers. Narrator, VO, they called us reckless. But sometimes, recklessness is exactly what victory demands. Int. Human flagship, bridge. Commander Reyes stands over a holographic table. Explosions flicker on the display. Officer, we've breached their flanks. Allied boarding parties are in position. Commander Reyes, then this ends today. EXT, Council Station, Docking Bay. Hatches blow open. Human marines and alien allies charge through smoke. Laser fire erupts. Int. Council Chamber. Zythar's claws drum nervously. Doors burst open, Reyes strides in, armor scorched, rifle slung across his back. Commander Reyes, it's over. Zythar, you will doom the galaxy to chaos. Commander Reyes, no. We'll free it to choose. Flashback, montage. Narrator, VO, this was never about conquest. It was about a simple truth: no species gets to decide what another can become. A human teacher instructing alien children. Engineers rebuilding devastated worlds. Diplomats shaking hands across species lines. Back to Council Chamber. Commander Reyes, the Age of Empires is finished. The Age of Equals begins now. EXT, space, fleet stands victorious. Ships drift among the stars, battered but unbroken. Narrator, VO, in every corner of the galaxy, a new idea took root. Not power. Not fear. Hope. Int. Council Chamber. Amaris lowers her head, voice trembling. Amaris, what will you do with us? Commander Reyes, invite you to join us. Silence. Then, slowly, applause spreads across the chamber. Humanity rising, continuation. Fade in. Int. Galactic Council Chamber, moments later. The chamber is still echoing with cautious applause. Zythar's jeweled eyes study Commander Reyes with a mix of outrage and dawning respect. Zythar, you think this display of defiance will last? You think chaos will not consume you? Commander Reyes, steadily, no. I think freedom is worth the risk. Amaris rises slowly. Her silver skin flickers with uncertain light. Amaris, then, you would make enemies of all who still believe in order? Commander Reyes, I'd rather make enemies than accomplices. Int. Human flagship, strategic operations. A large tactical holomap shows fleets dispersing, patrols reorganizing. Officer Li, sir, the Council Defense Fleet is retreating beyond the core systems. Reyes, on comms, let them go. They'll need time to understand what this means. EXT, Council Station, docking bays. Human and alien medics work side by side treating wounded. A young alien child clutches a human soldier's hand. Narrator, VO, this was the true victory, not the surrender of fleets, but the first spark of trust. Int. Council Chamber. Zythar slowly lowers his clawed hand. Zythar, you are mad. Reckless. Arrogant. Reyes steps closer, unflinching. Commander Reyes, all true. And we'll build something better with those flaws. Zythar, slowly, perhaps, or perhaps you will burn. Commander Reyes, then we'll burn together. A tense pause. Zythar, smiling faintly, spoken like a human. EXT, space, fleet formations. Ships realign, no longer enemies, but uneasy equals. Narrator, VO, history would call this the first day of the Age of Equals. Int. Human flagship, observation deck. Reyes removes his helmet, watching Earth's hologram spinning over the viewport. Officer Li, approaching, sir. Orders. Commander Reyes broadcast this message to every system: beat, no more emperors. No more masters. Only allies. Montage, worlds in transformation. A human diplomat shaking hands with insectoid elders. A human engineer showing a crystalline species how to build hydroponic farms. A human teacher surrounded by alien children learning new languages. Narrator, VO, they had expected us to conquer or to crumble. They never expected us to build. EXT, Council Station, Grand Hall. Banners bearing the symbols of dozens of species are hoisted beside a simple human flag, a blue earth in a field of stars. Narrator, VO, humanity was rising. And this time, everyone was invited to rise with us.